Now, doing laundry. Good morning, guys. Sorry, it's a long. No, it's a bit. Uh, it's a bit long that I didn't upload the video for my channel. Anyway, siguro naman Tagalog na lang, no? Pasensya mga kabady. Kasi sometimes I need time for doing the video or things that I can upload it. Here. Ang ginagawa ko dito, lahat na lang. Kahit ano. Minsan, duty ako sa boss ko. Mag-alaga sa kanya. Kasi, she wasn't able to walk anymore. But she's practicing to walk again. She had a PT thrice a week. Pag hindi ako duty sa kanya, gawa na kung ano-ano. Cleaning, cooking, do the hugas ng pinggan, linis, kung ano na lang. Diba? Konting sahod lang. Mahirap buhay dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, done. Wait lang, ayusin natin ang ating camera. Like that. Hugas kamay. Okay, maybe later again. See you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all.